Hi friends, I'm Harita. Welcome to my class. In this class, we'll solve some questions from class 10 question papers from the chapter Quadratic Equations. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and do like and share so that others can also benefit. So let's start. First question is, find the positive root of this equation. Root of 3x square plus 6 equal to 9. This is a very short answer type question. This has come as 1 mark type question. So, just find, in order to make this normal quadratic equation, you have to square this, right? To remove this root sign, you have to square this. So, 3x square plus 6. If you square here, you have to square the right hand side also. If you do anything to the left hand side, you have to do that same thing to the right hand side. So 9 becomes 81. 9 square is 81. Then 3x square equal to 81 minus 6. What is it? 75. So what is x square? 75 by 3, 25. So what is x? X can be plus or minus 5, but here we have to find the positive root. So x equal to 5 is the answer. Understood? Have a look and after that we will proceed. Next question is, if x equal to minus half is a solution of the equation 3x square plus 2kx minus 3 equal to 0, then find the value of k. So how will you solve this? If x equal to minus half is a solution, then if we substitute minus half in place of x, this should become 0, right? So 3 into minus half square plus 2k into minus half minus 3 equal to 0, right? So 3 into minus half square is 3 half minus half square is 1 by 4. So 3 into 1 by 4 is 3 by 4 plus 2k into minus half is minus 1 into k, right? So minus 1 into k is minus k. Then minus 3 equal to 0. Then minus k equal to 3 minus 3 by 4 equal to 12 minus 3 by 4 is 9 by 4. So what is k? K equal to minus 9 by 4 is the answer. Understood? Next question is, find the roots of the quadratic equation root 3x square minus 2x minus root 3. So if this is a quadratic equation, this will be equal to 0, right? Then this can be written as minus 2x can be written as minus 3x plus x, right? Minus 3x plus 1x is minus 2x. So this can be split into root 3x square minus 3x plus x minus root 3 equal to 0. So taking root 3x outside the bracket, you will get x minus 3 is root 3 into root 3. So x minus root 3 plus this is x minus root 3. So you can write it as 1 into x minus root 3 equal to 0. So root 3x plus 1 into x minus root 3 equal to 0, right? So this is root 3, this means root 3x plus 1 equal to 0 and x minus root 3 equal to 0. From this you will get x equal to root 3x equal to minus 1. So what is x? X equal to minus 1 by root 3. And from this you will get x equal to root 3. So the solutions of this quadratic equation are x equal to minus 1 by root 3 and x equal to root 3. Okay. Next question is, in this equation, find the value of k if one root is 6 times the other. So, if one root is alpha, the other root is 6 alpha. Is it so? This equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. That is, quadratic equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And sum of the roots of a quadratic equation is minus b by a. Here b is minus 14. So, minus of minus 14 is 14. And a is k. So, 14 by k. Sum equal to minus b by a and product equal to c by a. So, alpha into 6 alpha equal to 8 by k. Right? And from this equation you will get 7 alpha equal to 14 by k. So, what is alpha? Alpha equal to 2 by k. Substitute this alpha here. This is 6 alpha square equal to 8 by k. So, 2 by 6 into 2 by k the whole square. It is 4 by k square equal to 8 by k. Right? So, 6 into 4 is 24 and 8 goes in 24 3 times. So, 3 by k square equal to 1 by k, which means k square equal to, so you will get k, you can cancel. So what is k? K equal to 3. With this I am concluding this class. I will be uploading some more questions from this chapter in the upcoming classes. So stay tuned and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.